In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export subscribers in Mailerlite. First, log into your Mailerlite account and make sure you're on the main dashboard. Once you're inside, look to the left-hand menu and click on Subscribers. This is where Mailerlite stores your contact lists, and it's the starting point for exporting either your full audience or just a smaller segment. If you want to export all subscribers, you can simply stay on the main subscribers page. That page usually shows your full subscriber list, so there's no need to go anywhere else. If you need a complete export, if you only want subscribers from a specific group, click the Groups tab instead. This is helpful if you're working with segmented audiences and only need contacts from one particular group rather than your entire list. After opening the Groups area, find the group you want and click View Group. That will open the subscriber list for that group only, so your export will be more targeted. Once you're on the correct subscriber page, either the main list or a specific group, look above the subscriber list for the export button and click it. Mailerlite will then give you the available file type or format options. Choose the one that works best for what you need. In most cases, this is useful if you plan to review the data manually, upload it into another platform, or keep a backup copy of your contacts. Before exporting, take a moment to check which subscriber details are currently visible. This part is important because Mailerlite exports the fields that are shown on the screen. If you need certain information included, such as custom fields or additional subscriber details, click Toggle Columns and select the fields you want. This gives you control over what appears in the exported file and helps prevent missing important data later. After that, continue with the export and download the file to your device. Once the download is complete, open the file and verify the subscriber data. This final check helps confirm that the correct contacts were exported and that all the fields you needed are included. A quick tip here: if something looks incomplete, go back and review your visible columns before exporting again. That small step can save time and help you avoid doing the process twice. And that's how to export subscribers in Mailerlite.